Yes, dear. What does it mean? Visualization, verbalization, and vitalization. Visualization means imagine that words related to your
Visualization means imagine the word,
imagination.
and the
Okay.
second one is verbalization means continue
Verbalize.
speak
Yes.
that word,
Verbalize
and
that word
vitalization
in front of
and
everybody. Okay, in front of
everyone
everybody.
or by
Yes.
your own also in a
Vitalization.
repetitive way.
Yes.
Vitalization means in which environment you are. So try to use those surroundings and accordingly you make sentences
You make the sentences. You make the
according
mixed
to your
sentences, whatever
surrounding.
vocabulary, whatever vocabulary are given to you in that session. Okay, vitalization means that. Got it, everyone? तो हमें इतना समझ में आया. We follow 3 rules. Okay, क्योंकि most of time ना people say कि मैम I learn today this session vocab, but after some time we forget. तो है ना ये easy rule, isn't it? अगर if we follow these V3 rules, then it will help. Okay, so we should make the sentences. Which type of sentences we have to make after knowing the vocab? Related to our profession, related to our condition, whatever we are doing, we have to frame the sentences related to that, isn't it? Right? And today we are going to learn some beautiful, you can say, okay, but होता नहीं है, जैसे हम लोग कभी कभी तकलीफ में होते हैं या कुछ भयावह या टेरेबल या सैडनेस या पेनफुल, यू कैन से सम ब्यूटीफुल सेंटेंसेस, ओके, बट रिलेटेड टू नेगेटिव, नॉट पॉजिटिव. क्योंकि भाई बोथ आर द लाइफ ना. सो व्हाट वी शुड, बट व्हाट इज द प्रोटोकॉल ऑफ आवर vocab, हमारे vocab का व्हाट इज द प्रोटोकॉल?
Visualize
No, no, no,
first.
no, no. First, what to do? Priyanka, now Priyanka, tell me. Yes, Priyanka, tell me, dear. What is the protocol? Yes. Yes. Priyanka, are you there? Yes. We will not jump directly into the words.
Main
What
words.
we do? हम लोग डायरेक्टली वर्ड्स पे नहीं जाते. क्या करते हैं हम लोग? Yes. What we do? Anything? Yes, Manpreet. Yes,
Ma'am,
Manpreet.
first you ask from us
We will
about
start some
the
question.
words.
We will
Yeah.
start with some question, and you will have to fill that quiz with your own vocabulary. Okay? Because we all have some vocab. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि हमारे पास vocabulary है नहीं, है कि नहीं? But हाँ, ठीक है, सब common होगा. It will common, it will simple, but first we have to use our vocab. Then after we will learn new advanced vocabulary. Okay, dear? So shall we start our session? Chalo. Yes. So, yes. Is it visible, everyone? Is it visible? Yes. Soni, Manpreet, Priyanka. Okay. So,
मैडम से बात करते ज्यादातर वाली से.
yes. Power vocab strategies. Yes. Okay. Now, today, fluent words. Fluent words. 5 such words. Today we are showing. Yes. First, fill the blanks with given below clue. क्लू आपके पास रहेगा नीचे और उससे रिलेटेड आपको उसको फील करना है. ओके. यस. अगेन वी आर ओनली 2 members. Sony and Manpreet. I think 4 are there ना. चलो. Let us see. Okay? Every time has important, everyone. Okay, so yes, read this, Manpreet. Less people, more opportunity to speak out. Am I right? Yes. Chalo. Yes, one by one. Fast, read this. Even though,
Even though his grammar is
right?
developed, we understand him.
अब क्लू क्या है? बैड है. जो भी वर्ड्स है वो बैड से रिलेटेड है. व्हाट यू नो अबाउट दिस? ओके,
Is not
बस
is
आप
not
उसको, आप एक काम करिएगा, यू फील ओनली गिव योर पॉइंट एंड एग्जैक्ट वर्ड्स, नॉट नॉट राइट फुल सेंटेंसेस ओनली. Okay,
even
whatever comes into your mind, just fill it up, just write it up. Okay, yes. Even though his grammar is black dash dash, we understand him.
it's not.
Okay. Yes, go for the next. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Second one, Sony.
He committed dash crime.
Clue is a terrible, कुछ बहुत भयानक या बुरा रिलेटेड टू. तो आप उसको और किस वर्ड में, यू नो दैट. ओके, he committed a dash and crime. Priyanka, I think you are facing network issue here.
Yes, now I can hear you.
It seems. Okay, dear. But if possible, they try to participate. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, third one. Yes, Priyanka, read this. She
He
had.
she had and dash headache.
Read this. Headache.
She had and dash headache.
हाँ, हेडेक. अब वो हेडेक किस टाइप का है? वेरी पेनिंग, बहुत पेनफुल है. तो आप उसको किस वर्ड में और क्या बोलोगे अगर ऐसा फील होता है? बस राइट वॉट एवर वर्ड्स कम इन टू योर माइंड, बस उसको वर्ड्स को आप लिख लो नंबर के साथ. ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन आफ्टर दिस क्विज. यस, फोर्थ. यस, मनप्रीत.
Your problems are dash compared to their.
Compared to their. Yes. Yes. Very small. मतलब अब वहां पे अब क्या यूज करोगे जो बहुत छोटे को डिनोट कर रहा है, रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ओके, राइट बस ओनली दोज वर्ड्स. ओके, यस. योर प्रॉब्लम्स आर डैश कंपेयर टू देयर. ठीक, बहुत छोटा है. यस, फिफ्थ एंड लास्ट. यस, सोनी.
That's an dash building.
यस, डैश बिल्डिंग. बहुत पुराने को आप क्या बोल सकते हो? वेरी ओल्ड को क्या बोल सकते हो? यस, प्रियंका हैव डन डियर.
Yes.
गुड. आपने वो वर्ड्स, हैव यू रिटन ऑल दैट वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू दिस क्लू? बस आपको उस वर्ड्स को लिखना है. वॉट एवर यू हैव वोकैब, बस राइट इट डाउन. एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू explain and give you new some advanced vocab. Okay, shall we start? Yes. First word, Manpreet, could you pronounce this?
Yes, ma'am. Atrocious.
Atrocious.
Appalling.
हाँ, and appalling. Okay, appalling, atrocious and appalling. Use instead of very bad. जहां पे बहुत बुरा अगर आपको कहना हो, appalling, you can say whatever your mouth will speak easily. Okay, हाँ, या atrocious. Yes, pronounce this, everyone. हाँ, unmute.
Atrocious.
Atrocious नहीं, not serious. Atrocious.
Atrocious.
एक षटकोण वाला स होगा, श, atrocious. दोनों में श नहीं होगा, atrocious. हाँ, atrocious. Okay, very bad. Atrocious या appalling. Appalling means very bad, बहुत
Appalling बोलना है कि appalling?
Okay, yes. Yeah, here are sentences. Yes, Sony, please, dear, read it.
We were tired of eating our cook's atrocious meals, so we suggested her to take a cooking workshop.
Are you able to understand what is the meaning of this sentence? I think is it simple? Okay.
Yes.
So pronounce again. Atrocious. देखो होता क्या है, CIOUS है तो हम लोग CS, atrocious जनरली बोलते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट अ राइट वे. ओके, atrocious. You can also use appalling instead of atrocious. Appalling भी you can also use. Okay, appalling. Appalling नहीं होगा, पाप लंबा साउंड, appalling. ठीक है, pronounce.
Appalling.
ठीक है. Yes, Priyanka, read this.
He made
an appalling comment on my family, so couldn't maintain my cool.
Okay, he made an appalling comment on my family, so couldn't maintain my cool. Actually, try to modulation while reading. I humble request. Okay, don't read like a book. Okay, क्योंकि मुझे समझ में तो आ रहा है ना, वॉट एवर रिटन हियर. तो आप कोशिश करिए कहाँ पे हमें इम्फेसाइज करना है और कहाँ पे नॉर्मल वे में पढ़ना है ना. वी ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव वी आर लर्निंग कम्युनिकेशन, नॉट ओनली स्पोकन इंग्लिश. ओके, सो यस, सोनी, read this sentence again, and Manpreet also.
He made an appalling comment on my family, so couldn't maintain my cool.
So you can also add, so I couldn't maintain my cool. Yes, Manpreet.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I make my own sentence?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I will give you chance, but okay. If you this time you want to make, then continue.
Yes, ma'am. Due to his atrocious behavior, I cut off all the connections with him.
Oh, you can. Good. You can use this. Okay. Atrocious behavior, very bad. Okay, you can. Okay, chalega. It will. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, is this noun or?
What do you think?
It tells about the.
ये किस चीज के बारे में बता रहा?
Adjective.
Something. Okay. किस चीज के बारे में बता रहा? कभी आपके
person's behavior.
आपने जो बोला वहां पे you can use as a adjective. Okay. Sometimes we have to use as a noun also. Yes. Who will read this? Yes, Priyanka.
How can he be given bail for such a atrocious felony?
Atrocious
He should
felony.
be punished,
Hmm.
severely punished.
Severely punished. Yes. What does it mean? Felony. Felony means गंभीर, बहुत ही बड़ा, you can
Crime.
say बहुत ही बुरा, वो
Crime, ma'am.
crime. You can relate with crime. This, because here you can see the picture related with the court. Okay. So atrocious felony. Atrocious felony, बहुत बुरा, गंभीर अपराध.
क्राइम के लिए उसे बेल देना।
Felony means crime.
हाँ, yes.
Felony means
गंभीर,
crime.
हाँ, ओनली नॉट सिंपल क्राइम, गंभीर, बहुत बड़ा अपराध,
सीरियस क्राइम।
बड़ा सा जुर्म, हाँ, बहुत ही बुरा. ओके, गंभीर अपराध, फेलोनी, एट्रोशस फेलोनी, मतलब बुरा तो है ही है. एट्रोशस मीन्स बुरा तो है ही है. एट्रोशस मीन्स क्या है? बहुत बुरा, बट साथ में फेलोनी मतलब क्राइम से रिलेट किया. यस, सेकेंड वन. यस, मन, who will try?
Horrendous.
Horrendous.
Horrendous. वो
Horrendous.
Horrendous.
जरूर है, लेकिन हाँ, horrendous.
Horrendous.
Okay.
ओके, वेरी टेरेबल, जहां बहुत ही बुरा, वेरी टेरेबल. ओके, बहुत ही भयानक. ये भी आपका कुछ नेगेटिव से रिलेटेड है, इट विल. ओके,
Horrendous.
ऐसा नहीं है
Yes.
ये भी, बट ये आप horrendous you can use, भयानक, भयावह you can say like this. Okay, see with the example. Yes, I have done a horrendous mistake. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Horrendous mistake. Horrendous. स है, श नहीं है. Horrendous mistake. HO लिखा जरूर है, but horrendous.
शलगम वाला।
Yes,
हाँ?
yes.
शाह शलगम वाला और शाह।
नहीं, सपेरा वाला स.
ओके, शाह।
Horrendous.
Horrendous.
Horrendous नहीं, horrendous.
Horrendous.
ड को भी लंबा साउंड नहीं जाना. horrendous. Okay,
Horrendous.
I have done a horrendous mistake. I'm so sorry. Okay,
Blunders.
horrendous, very terrible, बहुत ही बड़ा. Yes, Manpreet.
Ma'am, it can be also like when we say he did some blunder mistake.
हाँ,
So we can use
हाँ.
horrendous mistake.
हाँ, yes. मैंने बोला ना कि आप you have a vocab, but today you will convert into advanced vocab. Okay.
Okay.
That's why I'm giving the sentences now. First, we will start our session with question. Yes, Manpreet.
Yes, ma'am. I found this food to have horrendous taste. It's better to have an empty stomach.
Yes, I found this food to have an horrendous taste. Okay. So it's better to have an empty stomach. Okay. Yes. Yes. Sorry.
Kids were shocked that.
The villagers were shocked that a boy so young could commit such a horrendous crime with no regard for human life.
Horrendous crime. Horrendous crime. Okay.
Horrendous
बहुत ही
crime.
भयानक, भयावह. Okay. Yes. Third one. Third word is excru. Excru. कैसे आप pronounce करोगे इसे?
Eating.
Excruciating. कौन सा श होगा? श की स? Excruciating. Excruciating. Excruciating.
शलगम वाला शाह।
Yes, excruciating. Yes. अब वो फर्स्ट में एक्स स आएगा. excruciating या unbearable. Unbearable. जो बियर आप नहीं कर सकते वैसा पेन, वेरी पेनफुल की जगह पे आप ये एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग, स्टार्टिंग में जो स है वो स है सिंपल वाला, एक्स एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग excruciating, I feel excruciating pain while I'm going to market. Sudden.
Excruciating.
Excruciating pain.
Excruciating.
Okay? Excruciating pain.
Excruciating.
Cruciating
Unbearable.
pain.
Yes. Ab now you can picturize, you can memorize. ओके, एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग पेन. तो एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग के आगे आप एक वर्ड जोड़ लीजिए, एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग पेन. कुछ हम वर्ड्स अगर उसके आगे पीछे ऐड कर लेंगे तो मुझे याद होगा विच टाइप ऑफ पेन. वेरी पेनफुल, ये पेन से रिलेटेड है. इसके पहले ये क्या, व्हाट इज दिस, हॉरेंडस. ओके, हॉरेंडस क्राइम, हॉरेंडस मिस्टेक. Likewise, if we write it now, then we can make some other sentences also and we can easily memorize in our brain.
Yes, ma'am. Right.
First one, what was the first one?
Atrocious.
Atrocious.
Yes, atrocious. Atrocious bad. Atrocious bad. Very bad. Appalling. Atrocious. Bad. Very bad. Atrocious. Yes, नहीं, atrocious. Shus. Okay?
Excruciating.
Yes. Sony, read this. Priyanka, have you? No. It's done. Starting from Priyanka. Yes, Priyanka. Read this.
She was weak and the pain was excruciating. But
she was determined to go
office.
Yes, she was determined to go office. Determined कहाँ लिखा? Determined to go office. Yes, read this again, Sony.
To go to office.
Yes. Verbalize, Priyanka, mute and verbalize. Excruciating. Everyone. Yes.
Excruciating.
Yes, Sony.
She was weak and the pain was excruciating, but she was determined to go office.
Yes, wonderful. Excruciating pain.
She's weak.
कभी-कभी sudden we feel ना.
Here it can be say also she had extreme pain.
Extreme pain को हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा very pain we can't say ना, या बहुत ज्यादा पेन हम लोग क्या बोले, extreme बोलते थे. Extreme pain. Now instead of that words what we use, excruciating pain. Yes, she feel excruciating pain. Excruciating, you can divide into 3 words. Excruciating. X स रहेगा, excruciating pain. Okay. Yes.
Excruciating.
Now, yes, Manpreet, read this.
Yes, ma'am. I feel excruciating pain on my throat while swallowing food and drinking water.
Pronounce this again, these words.
Excruciating.
Excruciating. X आ जाएगा, excruciating. Okay.
Excruciating.
Yes, excruciating. श जाएगा लास्ट में, षटकोण वाला श लास्ट में, स्टार्टिंग में स रहेगा, एक्स सपेरा वाला स, excruciating. ओके, आप लोग या तो उसको हिंदी में लिख लो, राइट इट इन योर मदर टंग ऑल्सो. Excruciating. Excruciating. Excruciating pain. Yes. Priyanka read this.
Walking even a single step from now would be excruciating. Better we sit for a while.
Walking even a single step from now would be excruciating. एक सिंगल स्टेप भी चलना इस समय मेरे लिए क्या है? एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग है, बहुत पेनफुल है. बेटर वी सिट फॉर अ व्हाइल. ओके, would be excruciating.
मैम
In this sentence हुआ excruciating किस में यूज हुआ है? As a no. As a noun, verb, adjective. What you see? What you see?
Ma'am, verb.
As okay, as a verb in the sentence, excruciating. Okay, so it means we can use as a verb also. Excruciating. Yes, we feel excruciating.
Ma'am, this word itself includes pain, or we need to add pain with this word. Did you get what I want to say?
No, I didn't
Please.
get it.
Ma'am, if we are feeling painful,
Okay.
then suppose I fell down from stairs and I'm feeling so much pain in my feet.
Okay.
Then I can say feeling excruciating pain in my feet.
Right.
You can also say I feel excruciating. I'm having excruciating pain. You can also say like this. I feel excruciating pain also.
Pain means we have to add
यूज.
word.
हाँ, पेन आपने बोला सिंपल दर्द. जब आपने उसके आगे एक्सट्रीम पेन लगाया, एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग पेन लगाया, दैट इट विल बी अ वेरी टेरिबल. ओके,
Okay, very.
गॉट इट?
Yes.
नाउ फोर्थ वन, मिनिस्क्यूल. मिनिस्क्यूल. हाँ, यस, pronounce.
Minuscule.
Minuscule. Yes. Sony, pronounce at least third time. Third time everyone.
Minuscule,
Minuscule and minuscule. What does it mean? Instead of very small. बहुत छोटा कहीं लिखना हो तो minuscule places. Yeah, that is a very minuscule places. यार.
Ma'am, earlier I used to pronounce minuscule.
At what time?
Before this session.
Okay. Minuscule.
Minuscule.
Minuscule नहीं बोलना बाबा. Otherwise everyone will ask you, who is your vocabulary? Who is your grammar coaches? Vocabulary coaches.
Minuscule. Okay.
Minuscule. No. Minuscule.
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 Minuscule. Yes, minuscule.
Minuscule.
यहाँ पे ओ की
Cule
बात.
or cule, ma'am?
Cule नहीं, minuscule. Minuscule.
Cule. Okay.
Yes, minuscule. Very
Minuscule.
small. Very small.
Minuscule. Am I right?
Yes, Priyanka, read this dear.
Minuscule. Am I right?
School, no, minuscule.
Minuscule.
No, minuscule.
Minuscule. Cule, ma'am, it.
Cule.
Cule, हाँ, अभी write it.
As we have pronounced or not?
Yes, dear. No, आप बोलो minuscule. मैं क्या बोला? क्या बोला? What did you say?
S को pronounce नहीं करना है. It is a silent.
Which one? S.
S.
No. I'm speaking now.
Nothing is
Minuscule.
silent.
Minuscule. Minuscule. जो आप क्यू बोलिए ना, जो छोटा ऊ की मात्रा आप ले जा रहे हो, उसको बड़ा ओ में ले जाओ. उसको बड़ा ओ की मात्रा में मिनिस्क्यूल, मिनिस्क्यूल.
Minuscule.
Yes, now write it. No, now this time you write pronounce. Okay, minuscule. Read this, Priyanka.
Minuscule.
Minuscule.
My office is minuscule.
Mini?
Not more than
Again
4-5
speak.
employees
Again pronounce this word
could
here.
get accommodated.
Priyanka, read this again. Start from beginning.
My office is minuscule.
Minuscule.
Right?
Hmm.
Minuscule.
Yes.
My office is minuscule.
Hmm.
Not more than 4-5 employees
Hmm.
could get accommodated.
Yes, accommodated. You can see now in the picture, very small places. That's why you are saying
This is
my office is a minuscule. My kitchen is a minuscule. That's why only I am cooking. Only one person can be cook. Yes. Sony.
Nowadays, shoot a short film.
Everyone read inwardly. Yes. Is Sony, write it. Read, pronounce this sentence. Read this sentence.
Nowadays, to shoot a short film, director needs a minuscule amount of time.
Minuscule
Amount of time.
minuscule amount of time. Okay. Yes. Manpreet.
There minuscule chance of death in case of COVID-19.
There is a minuscule chance of death in case of COVID-19.
Ma'am, if you hello,
Yes.
ma'am, can you come again? On the word of minuscule, can you come again on the same word?
Minuscule.
Okay.
Mini.
Actually, I know that, but I wanna check their spelling because I have noticed something.
No. I also noticed. Spelling, na?
Somewhere it
You are
is
talking about spelling, na?
minuscule. Yeah, you
No.
somewhere I.
I is a missing. I is a missing in that. Okay. So don't worry.
Yes.
Okay. Minuscule chances are. Okay. Now, but you, main thing is pronunciation. Main thing is, okay. How you pronounce these words? Speak out one by one. First,
minuscule.
सक्यूल अलग से क्यों बोला? मिनिस्क्यूल.
Minuscule.
आधा उसमें आधा सा है, हाफ सा है. मिनिस्क्यूल.
Minuscule.
Minuscule.
Yes, minuscule. Yes. Now, fifth and last.
Ancient.
इसको how you pronounce? How? Tell me, Sony first. कैसे pronounce करते हैं? Very old.
Ancient.
मुझे पता था.
Ancient time.
Yes.
Ancient time.
And सुनो, ये एन को अलग करें. एन षटकोण वाला श रहेगा. एन शेंट नहीं रहेगा. एन शेंट. श पे एक ही मात्रा, लेकिन वो स नहीं श रहेगा. एन शेंट. ओके. एनशेंट. ओके. पुराने समय. एनशेंट picture. I like ancient picture. Ancient picture. You can pronounce this likewise. Ancient. Is it good? Yeah. Ancient picture.
Ancient.
Okay. Now read this. Manpreet.
Yes, ma'am. I got an ancient box from my grandfather, but I was not allowed to open and see till I am given permission.
Yes. Until, but see, till I am given, until I am given permission. Okay. Yes.
Ancient.
Tony, read this.
I got an ancient box from my grandfather,
Good.
but I was not allowed to open and see till I am given permission.
Okay. Yes, Priyanka.
I am given permission.
You said that in your answer.
Priyanka, read this,
It
Priyanka.
is said that in yes, I'm unmute. It is said that in ancient China, doctors were paid when their patients were well.
Okay, is it wrong? Is it right pronunciation? Manpreet and Sony. Ancient. आपने क्या बोला?
Yes.
Ancient. Ancient China. Ancient नहीं, C-A-N नहीं होगा. Ancient. Okay, ancient. Ancient. It is said
Ancient.
that in ancient China, in ancient China, doctors were paid when their patients were well. वह तभी पेड कर चार्ज करते थे जब उनके पेशेंट अच्छे होते थे, तभी वो चार्ज लेते थे इन एंशिएंट चाइना. इन एंशिएंट चाइना. यस मनप्रीत.
In ancient.
Again pronounce this.
Ancient.
Yes, in ancient times.
In ancient times, dinosaurs roamed the planet.
Yes, roam the planet. Past में है. Roam means इधर उधर. हाँ, इधर उधर मतलब फ्रीडम की तरह से घूमते थे प्लेनेट पे, इधर उधर घूमना. डायनासोर्स रोम द प्लेनेट, जो कि पास्ट में है, घूमा करते थे. अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑल्सो से रोम, ओनली यू कैन यूज रोम. In ancient times, dinosaurs roamed the planet. Yes, now everyone check. Yes, but fast, one by one read. Yes, Sony, we will start from Sony.
Even though his grammar is atrocious, we understand him.
While pronounce these words, at least memorize what I told you. Atrocious. Again read this sentence. Again.
Even though his grammar is atrocious, we understand.
We understand him. Uska, his grammar is atrocious. Atrocious. His grammar is atrocious. बहुत ही बुरा था. His behavior is atrocious. But still I am talking to them. Okay? Atrocious. Yes. Atrocious.
Even though atrocious.
Yes.
Atrocious.
Manpreet.
Atrocious.
Manpreet, read this.
He committed a horrendous crime.
Yes.
Horrendous crime.
Okay? He committed a horrendous crime. Yes. Horrendous crime. Horrendous crime. Yes. Priyanka.
Horrendous crime.
Headache. Excruciating headache.
Yes, she had an excruciating
He had an excruciating headache.
Yes, excruciating headache. Okay? Excruciating. Excruciating. सोनी पे यही वर्ड आया. Yes, Sony, read this.
Your problems are minuscule compared to their.
Compared to their problem, compared to their situation. Okay? Your problems are minuscule.
Their situation.
Minuscule compared to their situation, compared to their problem. Yes, Manpreet.
That's an ancient building.
That's an ancient building. Yes. Priyanka, read this.
That's an ancient building.
Ancient.
Ancient.
Okay.
Building.
That's an ancient buildings.
and set
Okay.
a building.
Now,
Let be unto be.
this is your topic. Today's topic, let bygones and be bygones. This is a
Means what?
beautiful, this is a very beautiful idioms. You know what does it mean?
Let bygones be.
Let
No, ma'am.
bygones be bygones. It
चाहते हैं तो जाने
means,
दो.
huh? Again speak. Yes, yes.
I just presume.
No, okay.
You please tell.
जो बीत गया सो बीत गया, जो हो गया
बीत गया,
पास्ट में
okay.
सो हो गया. ओके, सो
Okay.
छोड़ो. जो बीत गया
Let
सो
bygones be
let
bygones.
bygones be bygones. Topic is this.
Okay.
So this is a very beautiful idioms. Okay, many times we use.
Yes, sir.
I use let bygones be bygones. Whatever anyone think about
Ma'am,
me.
means एक बार और बोलो ना.